Good morning students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. In today's video, we will revise lesson number 5 of our EVS book, Beautiful World of Birds. Yes, so as its name is Beautiful World of Birds, so in this chapter we are going to talk about birds. Birds are beautifully colored and living creatures, those who can fly. So they have wings to fly. They are the only living organisms which can fly. All birds have wings and two legs. As you can see in the picture, there is a parrot. It has two legs and beautiful wings so that it can fly. These wings help them to fly. Birds are the only animals that have feathers, and they have three types of feathers: body feathers, down feathers and flight feathers. And different feathers have different types of functions. A bird's body consists of head, trunk, wings, legs and tail. As we have different types of body parts. Birds also have different body parts like head. Their head includes eyes and beak. They have a trunk, wings, legs to walk and to stand on the branches of trees, and a tail. So you can see these are the parts of a body. They have claws and toes by which they can grip on trees and branches, and they catch the insects also. What helps a bird to fly? So what are the features of a bird which help them to fly, which we don't have? First is they have a body shaped like a boat. You can see in the picture, body is shaped like a boat means the body is thick in the middle and thin at the edges. You can see both the edges, the head edge and the tail. They are thin, but the middle portion, which is called trunk, it is thick. This is called boat shaped body or streamlined body. So they have a special shape which helps them to fly in the air easily. Aeroplanes, birds, they have boat shaped body or streamlined shape. Their bones are hollow and they are filled with air like straw. So this makes them fly light. Bird has strong muscles. We also have strong muscles, but we don't fly. They have strong muscles so they can their wings up and down very easily. They have strong flight muscles, and their tail is the way to change its direction during flight. So they use their tail when they want to change the direction. So you can see all the parts help them to fly. Now we are going to our next page, types of feathers. There are three types of feathers, and bird's body is covered with feathers. First feather is of flight feathers. As I told you, different types of feathers have different types of functions. Some feathers are long and flat. They remain attached to the wings. Flight feathers always remain to wings and tail as they help the bird to fly, so they are called flight feathers. So you keep in remember that flight feathers help the birds to fly. Down feathers. Down feathers are very short and soft, and they act like a sweater. Like when in winter season we feel cold, mama brings us sweaters or blazers or jackets for us, but birds के पास तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So their wings help them to keep their body warm in cold weather. So a newborn bird has a lot of down feathers, क्योंकि baby feathers जो baby bird है, they specially need down feathers to keep their body warm. Next is body feathers, which cover the body of the bird and it gives shape to the bird's body. So there are three types of feathers. One is flight feathers, second is down feathers, and third is body feathers. And different types of feathers perform different functions. Fill in the blanks. The dash helps the bird to change its direction. This is tail. Dash feathers help the bird to fly. This is flight. Birds fly to different extents. You have seen different types of birds. As we see so many types of birds in our life nearby our house or park or in garden, we commonly see sparrow, pigeon, parrot, crow, and their fly to extent is also different. In our Zoom class we saw many types of birds and their nest. So crane and pigeon, they can fly over long distances, so they can fly for a long time also. Eagle and vulture, they are very strong birds and they fly at great heights, means near to sky. Cock and hen, they fly over very short distance. So ये थोड़ा सा उड़ते ही वापस ग्राउंड पे आ जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्पैरो एंड बुलबुल. दे फ्लाई एट लो हाइट, सो वी कैन सी दीज बर्ड्स नियर द बालकनी और नियर आवर रूफ टॉप्स. So they are of different types of birds which fly at different heights. Now birds that do not fly at all. Yes, some birds can't fly because of their body weight and their weak wings or feathers. So they move on land with the help of their legs. As you can see in the picture, ostrich. An ostrich is a very good runner. It can run at very fast speed. So they are called flightless birds. Birds which cannot fly are called flightless birds. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin, emu, these are flightless birds which cannot fly. Aquatic birds, as its name is aquatic, that means the birds which spend their most of the time in water. They live in water, they grow in water, so they are called aquatic birds. They have oil glands and these oil glands keep their feathers waterproof. So उनके feathers पानी में रहने के बाद भी गीले नहीं होते. These glands prevent their feathers from getting wet. They keep it dry. Ducks, swan, gulls, pelicans, cranes, all these are aquatic birds and they have webbed feet. You can see ducks' feet, they are webbed. The skin in between the appendages. So they have special type of feet. Multiple choice questions, tick the correct answer. The oil glands of aquatic birds keep their feathers waterproof. Yes, like we apply cream on our hands or oil on our hands, then it makes our hands waterproof. So in the same way, these glands keep their feathers waterproof. Pigeon is a flightless bird. No, it can fly at great extent. Next is nest. Like us, birds also need a home. We need a home to live. So the same way, birds also need a home and their home is called a nest. But before building a nest, like पापा को अगर आपके लिए घर बनाना है तो पापा क्या करते हैं? First they decide the place. वो जगह ढूंढते हैं कि एक अच्छा सा प्लॉट मिल जाए, फिर वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू करते हैं, है ना. सो इन द सेम वे यहाँ पे भी यही करते हैं. बर्ड पेयर जो होता है, ममा बर्ड एंड पापा बर्ड, दे डिसाइड्स वेयर टू बिल्ड द नेस्ट. फर्स्टली दे फाइंड द प्लेस एंड देन दे स्टार्ट कलेक्टिंग मटीरियल्स फॉर द नेस्ट एंड देन दे स्टार्ट देयर बिल्डिंग. द फाइनल स्टेप इज कंस्ट्रक्शन. Why do birds need nest? We need house to live in because house protect us from heat, cold, rain and thieves, है ना. So in the same way, birds make nest to lay and hatch eggs. As they lay eggs, तो eggs में से तो baby bird बाहर आएगा थोड़े दिन में, तो to protect their eggs and their nestlings means baby birds from enemies, तो उनको protection देना है. Protect themselves from harsh weather, stormy day. या birds को अपने आप को भी तो बचाना है. So birds build nest to lay and hatch eggs, to protect their eggs and baby birds from enemies, protect themselves from harsh weather. Different types of birds make different types of nest. Like sparrow, it makes its nest in houses, trees or any other protected place. As I told you, first they find the comfortable and safe place. The materials which it uses are grass, leaves, straws and cotton. In our Zoom class, we saw different nests which are made by birds in different locations. Tailor bird, it sews its nest with its beak. As I sent you the lesson assignment on ERP, you can see different types of birds make different types of nest. It sews its nest with its beak. Yes, that's why it is called tailor bird, because it uses its beak to stitch the nest. वो leaves को stitch करता है by using thread, wool and vegetable fibers. Vulture, as vulture fly at great extent, so it makes its nest on high trees. It looks like a shallow cup. Shallow means a deep but khali cup. The materials it uses, sticks and twigs. Woodpecker, as its name is woodpecker, it makes its nest in tree trunks. Its beak, which is chisel shaped, it uses its beak to make a big hole in tree trunk, and then this hole is used as a nest. Next is the weaver bird. Weaver bird uses grass and twigs to make its nest, and nest is very strong and big enough, but their entrance is from the lower end. उसमें bird नीचे की तरफ से enter कर सकता है, ऊपर की तरफ से पूरी तरह से वो stitched होता है. So you can see different types of nests are made by different birds. Now it's time to revise book part. A bird's bones are filled with water. No. Flesh. Yes. Air. Yes. Flesh is no. Water is no. Air is yes. Dash feathers keep the bird warm. Which feathers keep their body warm? That is down feathers. Yes. Birds have dash bones filled with air. That is hollow. A newborn bird has a lot of dash feathers, down feathers. Ducks have webbed feet to swim in water. The tailor bird sews its nest with its beak. Circle the odd one. Give the reason. Bear, pigeon, crow, sparrow. So we will put a circle on bear because pigeon, crow and sparrow are birds. Duck, nest, crane, swan. Duck, crane, swan all are aquatic birds, but nest is their home. Kiwi, penguin, ostrich, dog. Kiwi, penguin, ostrich are flightless birds, while dog is an animal. Straw, cotton, water, grass. Straw, cotton and grass. Birds use these things to make their nest, but water cannot. Write the names of the following birds. So identify the picture. First is of penguin. Second picture is of bulbul. Third is crane. And the fourth one is vulture. Join the dots and write the name of the bird. First is sparrow, second is swan and third is pigeon. So do this. The bird that can fly over long distances is pigeon. The webbed feet of ducks help them to swim. So by this we have revised lesson number 5, beautiful world of birds. Keep reading, stay safe at home. Have a nice day.